We have arrived at Kirklands to preview all of their Easter finds. Kirklands is one of my favorite stores, so I'm so excited to share this little shopping video today with you. Look how adorable this candle is here with the little bows and the Easter bunny. Their candles smell really, really good. This is cream, vanilla, marshmallow, lemon, orange, and sugar cane, rose, citrus, and amber. And these are really pretty here. Look at the pink one with the bows too. Look at all the bunnies. Look at this pillow here. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? Priced at $24. You have these bunnies here. These are really cute too. Look at this little pillow. It says Happy Easter. And then here they have more stuff. Look at this cute little bunny pillow, priced at $25. These also smell so good. It comes in a whole different scents. Look at these little Easter eggs. And look at these cute pillows here. Where they have more Easter stuff. These baskets are adorable. They are priced at $9.99, which is super decent. A little welcome pillow with the bunny, carrot pillow, cute pillows. Look at the little Easter basket with the bunny. This is really pretty. I feel like this looks so nice on like a dining table, perfect for like Easter. Little bunnies here. And then they have all the little wooden bunnies back here. Let's see what else. This is really cute. This pillow here, the blue with the bows. They have this here at $30 with the little bunny. Look at this doormat with the little Easter eggs, the pastels. Some more things. This is nice with the cross with the little flowers. I like this little sign too. It says He is risen with the wood. This one is priced at $9.99, which I feel like is so reasonable. Look at the little bunnies with the bows. Big glass eggs. I also have this really pretty doormat for spring. It says hello. That's really nice. Let's see, and the price for this is $17. And then they have this little centerpiece here. They have some floral paintings, currently 40% off here. Mountains, more florals, and then this other stuff as well. And they have these little bunnies over here. And here they have some more bunnies. How cute are these? They also have some signs back here that say Happy Easter with the cross. And then these are priced at $14.99. Decent price. Look how cute this doormat is. Every bunny welcome. And they also have some Easter throws. And look at this Easter pillow. And then look at this. Look how unique this is with the little bows, with the little things you can put your coats on, jackets. So unique and fun. And then over here they have a whole bunch of candles. This one probably smells so good. Blueberry cheesecake. And here's just a quick little overview of all of the other selections they have. So much to choose from. Over here they have a whole bunch of other little Easter things. Look at these. You can put the little Easter eggs. They are priced at $7. Comes in a whole bunch of different colors, as well as these really pretty pastel Easter egg mugs priced at $8.99. And then these are some egg-shaped plates. And then they even have like a little charcuterie board, Easter egg. And then this plate, more mugs over there. And look at these fun plates, set of 4 with the little bunnies. Some little napkin holders, and then look at these kitchen towels with the little bunnies. They also have some other colorful napkins over here. Here they have this really pretty table runner. It looks like this. The detailing is just so pretty on this. Their candle collection here at Kirkland's is so top tier. Look at these candles that are almost like cupcakes, and then you just take it off. It comes in vanilla and strawberry. Like, this would be such a nice Easter gift idea. And as well, look at these shells. Really nice. You can put like jewelry in them. Comes in a whole bunch of fun patterns. This one is priced at $8.99. And look at these like creative Easter baskets, something different you could give someone as like a gift, priced at $9.99, and it comes in blue, yellow, pink and green. And they just have like a whole bunch of other like little trinkets and knickknacks over here. Like look at these car refreshers, lavender, ocean, vanilla. These are nice for like jewelry too. You can hang up different pieces. And these are so adorable too, these little jewelry cases. Perfect if you know someone that's going to be traveling a lot. I mean, look at these flavors: pistachio, dulce de leche, cotton candy, sweet peach. And then look at this. I love this little candle here. It's a little birthday cake. How creative is that? They also have some glasses as well. Look how cute this candle holder is with the little Easter eggs and the bunnies. This is priced at $13. Here they have more spring decor over here. I really love this painting here with the bike by the water. Originally priced at $30. These are fun, these candles here. A whole bunch of fake flowers. Look how fun this little bow pillow is. And they also have a whole bunch of other bow items here. These are really cute, like these dishes, you could put like jewelry on it. Really cute. And they also have like these glasses with the bows. And also like these bow blankets. They are so soft. And they are, let's see, $20. That's not bad. It comes in both blue and pink. And then they also have these candles with the little bows. This would be like such a nice Valentine's Day gift. This is pretty hero, this scalloped blue picture frame. And look at, they even have these air fresheners with the bows. Very coquette core. So nice. Here they have some doormats as well for the springtime. Got these really fun bow napkins priced at $5, as well as these spring ones here. This is really nice, this little napkin holder with like the scallops. Here they have a whole bunch of spring things here. Like look at these cute little bowls with like the little flower plates. So nice how they have it decorated here. And then with these little pastel cups priced at $6.99. And look at these taper candles that are fake with the pastels, perfect for springtime. You get these plates here with the little flowers, and then I love hydrangeas. This is so cute too. Have more fun napkins over here. These fun summer pillows, like a little starfish, a turtle, and then there's this one over here. It's a whale. Look how cute this is. And they have them over here as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down to my channel for more fun shopping content, especially now for Easter and the springtime. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.